Hello and welcome to the Pound Trader. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel, the Pound Trader. I will be analyzing the Pound USD, the only currency pair that I trade. Welcome to the channel. All right, so this is the third week of January 2023, starting from the 15th, which is going to be Monday. I'm starting on the monthly time frame, and as you can see, I think we have a falling wedge pattern here, and we can see that last year on the monthly we still didn't break above this high that I had over here. And if you watched my previous video, then you saw that I had this fib level here, and we can see that we didn't really close above the 61.8 Fibonacci ratio level. So yes, this is still confirming to me that I think we are still going to be selling because, I just think that we still have this level to complete. If you watched my other video, then in the higher time frames, the 6-month and the yearly time frame, we saw that there was a big wick over here, and I still think that it has the potential to be filled. All right, so going to the weekly time frame, and I'm sorry I have a cold, guys. We can see here that we still have lots of rejection in this level that I was talking about, the 61.8, lots of wicks here, so still confirming to me that I am on the sell side. All right, going to the daily time frame, we can see here that we had some higher highs and higher lows, and we can see here that the volatility was really, the volume was really reducing on the, on the buys, because we have lots of rejection still on this level. And we can see that the daily candle here, with slight wicks in either direction, but still we haven't closed above this area here, which was the 61.8. And also, guys, maybe I should point this out, maybe on the daily time frame, we have some divergence. Let me just put the stochastic. Okay, so we can see here, guys, that we have some negative divergence. If I just put my trend line over here, we can see here that here we have an uptrend, and so our trend line is going up, whereas here the divergence is showing us, that we're going bearish, right? And this is normally like an indication of, a currency pair about to change direction, and therefore confirming for me that I am on the sell side. Let me know what you guys think, though, because I'm obviously not too sure, but let me know what you think. All right, so this is the daily. You can see here lots of rejection still haven't been able to push up. We're still rejecting on this level over here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, guys, I was seeing something, but I don't know if I'm seeing this by myself. I am seeing a rising triangle, an ascending triangle. Look at this. Look at that. I don't know. I'm seeing this rising triangle, and for me, as much as we did break above here, we still closed. We weren't able to push up again. We saw that was some news on Friday that pushed up, but it still wicked down to close below this triangle. And normally, for me, when I see these triangles, these are one of my favorite patterns. I'm hoping to see something like this, some rejections over here, so that we can finally push down, right? And also, if we can see something here, if we look at the height of the triangle and we move it to where there might be a potential breakout, we can see that there is potential for it to come down to this level over here. And there's also this big wick that also has the potential to be filled. So I don't know, this is just my opinion. Of course, I could be wrong, but I am hoping for a breakout, hopefully breaking out of this trend line that has been holding for so many months, guys. Yeah, so many months. And also, if you watched my previous video, then you know that I was, I took a short here some time before. And guys, I lost a lot of money during the holidays, right? This level over here, because of the wicks and everything, it wasn't good. So I'm really hoping for a breakout above that trend, below that trend line, just so that we can confirm these sells. Because if it does continue pushing up, then who knows? But for me, I'm still on the sell side. Yeah, so going on the 1 hour, the 1 hour just looks super complicated. And as you can see, I have multiple support and resistance lines here because sometimes I mute them to have them only on the 1 hour. But it's looking very messy. So for me, I'm still just hoping for that, that breakout of this triangle on the 4 hour and some rejections here, and then push it down, right? So yes, that's my analysis. Let me just move it to the 4 hours so that it's easier to see. So yes, this is what I'm hoping for. Really hoping I can get this week because, I have just been selling the pound since December, guys. 2 months. Or November, yes, 2 months of just looking for sells on the pound. And I'm really just hoping it can confirm my bias. So now let's just look at the dollar index very, very quickly. As you can see from my last video, I'm just gonna post like a side by side, maybe over here, just so you can see. I was hoping to get some rejections over here on the 61.8, but we can see during the holidays we got it made a retracement slightly lower, but we can see still that we ended the week with some pin bar-ish candle and a bullish candle over here. So for me, guys, this is still confirming that I'm still looking for this dollar to, you know, rise and hopefully complete this section here from the triangle as per my previous video. Maybe you can watch that one to just see what I meant. But yeah, this is confirmation for me that I'm still looking for longs in the pound. I still think that we have this distance to cover from the 6-month time frame and the yearly. We saw that there was still a big wick here that I think has the potential to be filled. So I'm just going to go to the daily maybe, and we can see on the daily we are still struggling on this trend line over here. It is not pushing down, nor is it pushing up, right? And on the 4-hour, we can see it more clearly. We have a very, very clear range over here that, you know, I'm just hoping that this week we can just break above this level, because guys, this has been tiring. I know the holidays, of course, the volume was a bit tricky, but really now I'm just hoping that we can break this trend line so that we can confirm the bullish bias that I have on the dollar and the bearish bias that I have on the pound. So let's just go quickly to check out the news that might be coming this week. As always, I'm based in Kenya, so I have set my calendar here. This is East African time. I've also minimized my currency pairs here, so I just filter out. I have the pound, the USD, and sometimes I filter the euro. Yes, so you can see here the euro. So we can see here Tuesday 10 a.m. we have some news. Yeah, we have USD news as well. Wednesday we have some news, some GBP news and some USD news. Thursday we have some unemployment claims from the dollar, and then on Friday we have some pound news, and then we have some USD news at 6 p.m. I'm really hoping that the news that's coming from this week can hopefully just have us push up and just, you know, continue, because yeah, we need to break above this range here has cost me a lot. So there you go, guys. I just tried to make this simple. Happy New Year once again. Please subscribe. I'm hoping to now go to 200 subscribers and just maintain the consistency this year. So please support the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.